This is my AP Computer Science Create task. I use JavaScript to make this app. So here is the instructions page. I'll click the list to continue. This is where you choose your level, and I'm going to choose the master level. Because I chose the master level, I'll get 15 seconds to memorize these cake ingredients. The purpose of this game is to serve as a memory challenge to the user and provide entertainment because it is an app. You'll see that once the ingredients timer is up, I'll get sent to a quiz to see if I remember the ingredients. Here, if I remember, it was 2 sticks of butter, 3 cups of flour. You click the next button. Now, it was 1 tablespoon of baking powder. However, if I click these two, I get try again, and points will be deducted for every incorrect answer. So here's the last page of my app. I got 83%, and because I was over 75%, I was successful in making my cake. If it were under 75%, I would be not successful, and I can click play again to start over.